Hello everyone, welcome to philviestory. Today I'll be cooking Assam prawns to go with my nasi lemak. In Penang Island, we used to always eat nasi lemak with Assam prawns and Assam fish, but after I married to the mainland, we are actually the whole Penang, but it was separated by the sea. So one we call it island and another we call it mainland. But over at this side, they don't really eat nasi lemak with Assam prawns. So when I cooked this to go with my nasi lemak, my husband was like, do people really eat nasi lemak with Assam prawns? This dish is very simple to make because you only need a few ingredients, and with the agar-agar recipe, most household, I think they will have their own recipe for the Assam prawns. For mine, I'll be using the Assam jawa and sugar, dark soy sauce and prawns. For this round, I add a little bit of ginger powder as well. For the prawns, I have removed the legs and also removed the veins. Then marinate with all the ingredients I've said just now for 30 minutes. And use a spoon to mix it around rather than a hand, because if you got cucuk by the udang, cucuk by the prawns, it will be kind of painful. And I will list the full ingredients in the description box below, so you may refer to that. Today I'll be using my Lagame Nitrigan cast iron wok to cook this, and if you want to purchase this, you can go to www.dhmchefs.com. And I choose to use a cast iron because I want to have the wok hay, and also I want it to be kind of charred flavor, you know, kind of like it caramelized, and it was kind of be sticking to the wok because and if you use like non-stick pan, you will have a hard time removing the stain because you can't really use a scrub to scrub it off later, and also the prawns may, how you say it, scratch the wok. So cast iron would be more preferably in this dish. So if you think that the prawns doesn't have a very nice dark color, just add more thick soy sauce, and when it's almost cooked, I will add extra sugar on it to make it caramelize, and it gets the nice black sticky stains on the shells of the prawns. If you're worried on how to remove the stains left after cooking this dish, it's actually very easy if you're using a cast iron. Just heat up the pan, add in a bowl of water, then use your turner, be it stainless steel or a wood one, to scrape the stain away. It's quite easy to remove. Then after that, you just wash it with clean water. If you're using a non-stick pan and it kind of sticks to the pan, you need to soak it and then slowly remove it with a soft sponge, or you can try boil it with hot water, and then after that use a soft sponge to remove the stain. When you're cooking this dish, I think you'll invite the whole kampong with the smell, because when it's almost done, you can smell the aroma coming up from the prawns and also the tanginess of the Assam jawa. So open your windows big, and then you may have your neighbors ringing the doorbell. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.